Hi guys. There she goes again, enjoy. There she goes again, making me love you, making me want you, making me want to be with you. There she goes again. Guys, I'm going to use my two current favorite eyeliner. One is from the L'Oreal. This one is from Maybelline New York. So I've already applied a little bit of the L'Oreal eyeliner. I really like it. So L'Oreal has shampoo line, makeup line, and cosmetics. So Maybelline has makeup line. So it's a very good eyeliner as well from Maybelline. So next I'm going to apply my Bay mascara and my Rituals lipstick. So makeup application is fun. I'm wearing my natural hair, as you can tell. I'm going to put on my weave afterwards. So yeah, guys, I do like to learn from you where you buy your favorite meals from. Most persons living in the Netherlands, they enjoy shopping from, Jumbo supermarket, Albert Heijn. So Albert Heijn is pretty famous in the Netherlands. You have Albert Heijn in Amsterdam, Albert Heijn in Rotterdam, Albert Heijn in Breda, Albert Heijn in Eindhoven, Albert Heijn in Utrecht. So this is the mascara. I love to reduce the quantity. So that it will not smudge. So I first of all dip it in, and afterwards I think to reduce the quantity. Like the sound. So just got a notification. So next I'm going to apply lipstick. It's a very good mascara. I really like how my eyes looks. Very pretty. You can tell the difference, right? This doesn't have. You can tell this one looks better, the other one looks better. So next I'm going to apply some more. If it's chilly outside, it's cold, and you wish to stay warm the whole day, you can wear a lovely jacket like this. So this is a beautiful winter jacket. So this is when you can actually zip it up like this. So I'm going to come a little bit closer. I'm also going to wear this Ritual perfume. This smells really great. So Ritual is one of my favorite brands. I also like to wear the body spray from Rituals. I use this underneath my hands. And I use this oil for washing my body. So it's called the Ritual Mere Energizer So Too-Faced Bath Oil. So I added it in the bath and I use it for washing my body, and I use the Ritual shower film, so you can tell that I've used it. It's incredible. Good morning, arise and shine. I just woke up a few moments ago, so I'm going to wear my Prada perfume. I really love this Prada perfume. I like how it scents. It's incredible. So this is where I'm going to wash my body. I'm really excited. As you can tell, I have really dry skin, so I'm going to apply the oil on my skin first. A little bit of body spray before washing my body. This will leave your body smelling really sweet and leaves you with a well-nourished and less dry skin. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a get ready with me video. These are the items I use to wash my body. Ritual body wash, body foam, body spray oil. I love to apply oil on my skin before washing it up because I have dry skin. This is called 100% pure Dragon Pitoli from the shop The Towning, and you can shop for this from Ritual. On my website blacknow.me, I enlisted some top-notch brands and makeup brands, hotels and more. Of course, there are millions and millions of hotels worldwide. There are millions and millions of fashion brands worldwide. There are millions and millions of makeup brands, but I selected about 100 companies, I think over 100, and of course we have thousands of oil and gas companies, but I enlisted some top-notch oil and gas companies. I believe my followings will appreciate and like to, work with the brands such as Halliburton, Chevron, Exxon, NNPC. I have not added Total Energies. When it comes to makeup, I've enlisted some top-notch makeup brands I believe you guys would love and love to use. So I added Chanel, Dior, Gucci, Prada. I have not added F Cosmetics. I have not added Lorac. I have not added Laura Mercier. I'm going to approach these brands anyway and find out if they may be interested in my website design and of course content marketing and promotional gigs. Guys, this is going to be a room tour. This room is very pretty. These are my current favorite beauty items. This is how the bed looks like. This is the curtain television area. If you have been watching my YouTube videos, you must have noticed I've done some videos here. I did some like fashion video, this beautiful hotel, so I thought I'd share with you. It's absolutely pretty. Hi guys, welcome. I'm going to do a room tour. Afterwards I'm going to read out Dutch Delight, American Delight. So this is how this beautiful room looks like. This is the bedding, this is the floor, this is the angle here. Lovely view. Looks amazing. So I'm going to take you to the bathroom. So this is the wardrobe. This is how the bathroom looks like. It's very clean, very tidy. So now I'm going to read out Dutch Delight, American Delight, French Delight on blackmore.me, and also some listings I have done so far on blackmore.me. So this is the boohoo dress I'm wearing. I love wearing dresses and also like sharing with you my outfit for the... There are several restaurants in the Netherlands that does has eateries such as the Van der Valk Hotel. So you have Van der Valk in Amsterdam, Van der Valk in Dordrecht, Van der Valk Hotel at Blijdorp, Rotterdam, Van der Valk Hotel at Middelburg, Van der Valk Hotel at Haarlem, and we also have Lectures Hotel in several cities in the Netherlands. So on the top page of my website, ekenepatients.com, you'll find Van der Valk Hotel, and of course that's ekenepatients.com/Valak and ekenepatients.com/Fletcher. I'm promoting Leonardo Hotel and other hotels too. There on my website ekenepatients.com. If you go on blackmore.me, I also enlisted some top-notch restaurants. So there are several hotels that has eateries and you also have restaurants too. So highly recommended. If you're hungry, you can eat at home or you may eat at these restaurants and hotels that I have mentioned on my website. Hi, good morning guys, welcome. I just woke up a few moments ago. I have washed myself. I thought to myself, why not do this Chit-Chat video related to eateries? Many of you has been to Amsterdam, right? So there are several cool eateries in Amsterdam. You have Julia, you have Starbucks, and you have McDonald's, right? So on my website blackmore.me/Dutch Delight, I'm promoting some of these eateries and also on the top pages. So if you're traveling and you wish to eat something delicious, Julia is a great eatery, so you can eat at Julia Amsterdam, Julia Rotterdam, Julia Breda. There are several Julia in several cities, so Julia is a great eatery. You also have Natu. So Natu is mostly can be found at stations. So you have Natu in Amsterdam Central Station, Natu in Den Haag, so that you can eat fresh vegetables. You also have Deli France in the Netherlands. You have La Place. So these are great eateries. So if you're traveling, so this video is dedicated to travelers worldwide. So if you're traveling and you need somewhere to eat very good meal from, you should eat at these eateries I have just mentioned. Hi guys, this is my favorite eyeliner from the brand L'Oreal. L'Oreal has lipstick line, makeup, foundation and more. So I thought I'd share with you this beautiful eyeliner. I'm going to use it for my makeup. So I'm going to share with you my current favorite skincare items. This is from the brand L'Oreal as well. I love to use shampoo brands from the L'Oreal. Hi guys, this is my favorite eyeliner from the brand L'Oreal. L'Oreal has lipstick line, makeup, foundation, and more. So I thought I'd share with you this beautiful eyeliner. I'm going to use it for my makeup. This is how the packaging looks like. Guys, this is my favorite Seeking to You perfume. I love this perfume. It smells really great. Highly recommended for men and women. Guys, this is my current favorite Palmolive natural body wash. I like these products. So guys, I'm thinking of starting a new website and call it, ekenepatience.me. On it, I'm going to enlist top hotels in New York, like 50 to 100 hotels in New York on it. It's going to look a little bit similar to blacknow.me, blacknow.org, or ekenepatience.org, but I'm going to charge 50 euros from all the hotels and promote them every month. Do you think it will be fun? Speaking of hotels, I'm going to read out some top-notch hotels in New York City, United States of America. There she goes again, making me love you, making me need you, making me want to be with you. There she goes again. There she goes again, making me love you, making me want you, making me want to be with you. There she goes again.